Here we go. All right. So now here we have the lesson today is power to a power. Okay. So we're going to keep it simple and then go to another step. All right. So we got x to the power 4 times x to the power third. Now, is that a power to a power? Well, exponent, not really. It's just x to the fourth times x to the third, right? Now, this one is x to the fourth, but all that in parentheses, we're going to raise that to the power of 3. So you got a power. You're not powerful. I'm powerful. Oh, well, I thought I was a powerful one. No, yes, you are x to the power 4, but all you, and then I am taking that to the power of 3. Oh, wait. If I'm x to the power 4 and you're to the power 3, then what do we do? What do we do? Well, that means that means that we have whatever's in parentheses, we're going to write it 3 times. We're going to multiply by itself, and you're going to see it 3 times. So it's x to the 4 times x to the 4 times x to the 4th. See that? And this is what we did. Now they're all lined across. How many x's are there? How many x's? Right? You just add them all up. So how many is that? What's 4 plus 4 plus 4? Is 12. Yes. X to the power of 12. Okay. But Mr. Wait, what about this one? Yeah, but is 4 times 3 is 12. But remember, that's an exponent. You don't multiply. Wait. Oh, wait. This this right here is laid out like this. So we're going to ask ourselves, well, how many x's are there? Oh, wait, there's 7 of them. There's 7. So notice the difference, right? This is the power to a power. So it's x to the 4th raised to the 3rd power. So it's going to be even bigger, right? But wait, Mister. Well, let's do another one, all right? So let's do another one. So let me go ahead and pause it. Oh, music. Let me pause the video and write the 2 prompts. All right, here we go. You guys ready for the next one? All right, so here on this one, we have 8 to the power of 7 times 8. So we don't multiply the exponents. No. We ask how many exponents? How many exponents do we have? Huh? Well, many? We have 8 to the power of 7 and 8 to the power of 3. So we have 8 to the power of Emily Espinosa. 8 to the power of how many? How many? Emily Espinosa. You don't know? Well, that's good. Thank you for asking. Because some kids are like, So you see how here we have 7, Emily? And then we have 3. How many altogether? Yeah, that's it. Very good. See how easy it was? A to the power of 10. Well, look over here. I have x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 3. Well, how many do I have? Don't multiply. You have x to the power of 7. Yeah, you just added them. Now, this is a little tricky because this is the power to a power. So, whatever's in parentheses, you got to raise it. You got to show it 3 times. All right, so a to the 7 times a to the 7 times a to the 7, right? There's 3. 1, 2, 3. See that? Now that we set it up, how many do I have all together? I got 8. Give me 7. Here, give me 7. Give me 7. How many do I have all together? Ooh. How many? Anybody? Yeah, 21. You see that? Now, is there a shortcut, mister? What if I have a to the power of 5, and then I have raised to the 20. Oh, can I move it to the right there? Right there, right there? To the left, to the left. Okay. What if I have that? Do I have to go 8 to the 5th? Mister. So what's the rule? Well, let's see. How do I get 12? If I have x to the power 4 raised to the third, how do I get 12? Do I add, multiply, divide? Wait, mister. 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah. So remember, and how are you going to remember that? Because some kids are going to do this one. Multiply here. How are you going to remember? Oh, when there's that parentheses. Oh, that's when I multiply. See right here, there's no parentheses. So when I was in high school, I tried to figure out, okay, how can I remember? How can I remember I multiply? Well, oh shoot, sorry. I just hit the thing. Sorry about that. I was just like, ow. All right. So how do I remember? Well, right here, the parentheses. Oh, mister, yeah, you're right. 4 times 3, the parentheses. This one doesn't, so I'm going to add them. 4 times 3 is 12. See that? Well, if it works for one, it has to work for the other. Well, let's see, mister. 7 parentheses to the power of 3. Okay, it has to be a power to a power. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's see. Yeah, mister, it works. It works. It works for 2. Then what's the answer for this one? A to the power of 5 raised to the 2. It's going to be a to the power of what? What's 5 times 20? 100. There you go. See that? And there you go. There's your answer. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. A to the third times a to the fifth. All right, here we go. Zyrus, what's my answer for this one? A to the third times a to the fifth. Is it a to the 15 or a to the power of 8? Zyrus. Very good. Don't fall in that trap that just because it's multiplication, you're going to multiply the. No, 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 no. Very good. Okay. And then the next one, let's do it the easy way, right? Let's see. Let's try whose name appears. Evan, I know you weren't here earlier. Let's see if you're here now. Evan, are you there? Evan? No? Okay. James, gave him a chance. James, 8 to the power of what on this one? Very good, because you multiplied. Now, mister, can I do this? 8 to the 3 times 8 to the 3 5 times? Yeah, it's going to be longer. But remember, what if you have something like to the power of 20? 8, that's going to be too much, right? So it's 8 to the power of 15. Very good. All right. Now later we'll talk about negative exponents. Ooh. All right. But I don't think we'll do negative exponents. All right. So that's it on that one. All right. So now what I'm going to introduce is a coefficient, the number. All right. So hold on real quick. You're gonna wait for me. All right. So here we go. So this is what we did last week. Right. So we got, remember, x to the third. All right. X to the third times x to the fifth. All right. Well, how many are there? All right. That's what you ask. How many are there? Let's see. Jesus Castillo. How many x's are there? If I have x to the third and then x to the fifth, how many altogether? Yeah, x to the power of 8. Now with the number, you just multiply it. So 2 times, well, that's like a 1, right? So 2 times 1 is 2. Bam. And there's your answer for that. Okay. That's what we did last week. Today, we're introducing this part right here. Okay, 2x to the third raised to the fifth. Oh, but here we have x to the third. Oh, okay, x to the third. You can raise me to the power of 5, yes. What about the 2? Oh, whoa.
Well, what does the exponent have?
I don't know. Tell him.
Yeah, I'm number two, and I have an exponent of one. Okay, because I'm just by myself, and this 2 to the power of 1.
Oh, okay. That's it. Okay. We're ready. We're ready.
Yeah, we're ready because we're inside the parentheses. Okay, guys, you ready? Set. Mr. Rabbit said we're going to multiply the power to a power.
So we have this is a 1. 1 times 5 is 2 to the power of 5. See that? The power to a power. And then x to the power of 3, you're going to multiply with 5. So that's 15. See how the difference? We don't do it here. We do it here because of the what? Of the parentheses. Of the parentheses. Now, what's 2 to the power of 5? Sometimes they'll leave it like that. Well, that's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And then bring down the 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down the 2. 16 times 2 is 32. So what is your answer? 32x to the power of 15. Okay? And there you go. See that? All right.
We're going to multiply. We're going to create this power to a power. So we have what?
Oh, yeah. Right now we're going to have 5. So we're going to multiply the 1 times the 3. What's 1 times 3? To the power of 3.
Okay, now I go g to the power of 3. And because there's a power to a power, I'm going to multiply. 3 times 3 is g to the power of 9.
Okay, now I go. H to the power of 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 5.
No, it's not 5.
Oh, 2 times 3 is 8.
No, it's not 8.
Oh, sorry. 2 times 3, 2, 4, 6. Oh, 2 to the power. Oh my goodness. H to the power of 6.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, wait. But now we have that big number. Well, I got to go ahead and go 5 times 5 times 5. So what's 5 times 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is 120, no, 25. And 25 times 5, 125. Yeah, man. G to the power of 9 and H to the power of 6, dude. There you go. Yeah, power.